Hi, it's Duncan Ash here at Qlik. I look after the Global Industry Solutions team for financial services. Today I'm going to be telling you about some of the solutions that we're able to deliver to some of the world's largest banks and insurance companies. We've been doing this for a long time now, and we are heavily engaged with these firms right across their businesses, from head office functions like finance, risk, operations, right through to the people in the field in sales who are dealing with the customers. So today I'm going to show you some of the applications that we've built for these people and show you how people can get the maximum business value from using our analytical solutions. So this is the consumer loans application, and this is looking at the credit book for a large consumer bank in the United States. And what I really want to do is to understand how my loans are performing, how my credit officers are performing, and how I can make improvements with the people who I'm already lending money to, and try to identify which of those customers are the most profitable so I can lend them more money, and at the same time understand which customers are least profitable and possibly do less business with them. So the first thing we see on the screen here is this scatter plot chart, and I'm going to make this a bit bigger. This is showing me all of the customers that I'm lending money to by credit officer, and I can see at the bottom of the screen I have the FICO score, so that's the credit scores of the individual people, and I can make a selection here of the customers with the highest FICO scores, and then I can select which of those we're making the most profit from. So I'll select these customers up here at the top, and now I've got a subset of customers who are really interesting because I know that they are the most credit worthy and that we're making the most money from them. And I can see where those loans are distributed. I can pick a specific region, in this case the South, and I can see that there are a lot of loans within the Texas and Florida region. So I can drill into those, and then by looking at the next part of the analysis I can see how the delinquency trends are in that region. When I look at the chart here I see that Florida looks pretty good. When I drill into Florida, actually, whilst it's a pretty strong region overall, there are some credit officers within that region who are not performing as strongly as the rest. I can identify who those are, and then I can see within the overall portfolio where those loans are distributed, and it's giving me the information to do something more with that data. So in summary, this application is giving me the ability to go from a very, very high level, looking at the entire credit book, right down to individual customers or individual credit officers, and try to identify where performance improvements have been made. Okay, so this is the foreign exchange sales trading application, and it's based on the trading book of a large retail banking organization whose FX desk is selling to large institutional clients. They're selling products like forwards, options and swaps, currency hedges, and energy related products. And what I can see from the dashboard of this application is that the product called a swaption is performing incredibly well on margin, but yet the volume is very, very low. And in fact, when I first showed this to the customer, they were absolutely speechless when they saw this, because they couldn't believe that so few people in their teams were selling these products when they made such a high margin. So when I look at the next part of the analysis, I can see that I can see which salespeople are selling these products. I'm just going to click on swaption here, and I can see the names of the salespeople who are selling them. More importantly, I can see who's not selling them. And for any of the given salespeople here, I can see exactly which counterparties are buying these products. So I can get a very good understanding of how the salespeople are performing. So with just a very small amount of analysis, I can see where the opportunity lies within the business to sell this product to additional customers. So if I select one of the sales guys here, I'm going to select Paul Stowe, and I'm going to look at the next part of the analysis, and that's showing me exactly where he's sold these particular products to, and exactly who he's sold them to. So it's giving me far more information. It's letting me dig deep within inside the data to find out where I'm able to make more profit and where the potential opportunities are within my customer base to sell those profitable products to. As you can see, we have a broad portfolio of solutions in financial services. We help our customers to bring together data from all the different parts of their business in a governed way so that they can see the whole story in their data.